Researchers at Indiana University have determined that the number of children vaccinated against COVID-19 is significantly less than the number of adults. Star City's Hannah Grace spoke with those who conducted the research to learn more.
But what our data suggest is that even during times of peak transmission, most parents in the US just aren't all that concerned about COVID-19.
Associate Professor at IU Bloomington, Jessica Calarco, started a study at the beginning of the COVID epidemic. The study was based in Indiana and followed local families in the decisions they made based off of COVID. The original study then became a nationwide survey.
We conducted a national survey of 2,000 parents across the US with children under 18, asking them a range of questions about their attitudes regarding COVID, their decisions regarding things like the COVID-19 vaccine for themselves and their children.
What Calarco and her team at IU found was a significantly low number of children are not vaccinated against COVID-19, even if their parents are. This research is backed by the CDC's newest findings.
Latest CDC data, for example, show that only 38% of kids who are eligible for the COVID vaccine have gotten even one dose. Let alone the full schedule in terms of doses and boosters.
And why are parents not getting their children vaccinated? Calarco says a lot of decisions depend on where parents get their information or if they avoid the data altogether.
What we found in our studies is that as a result of this sort of news avoidance, parents are using this as a way to sort of make themselves feel better about sending their kids back to school in person, about having their kids not wear masks to school every day. But what that means is that many parents are now unaware that the COVID vaccine is available, for example, for kids as young as 6 months old. And many parents are unaware that research has shown that kids can transmit the virus as easily as adults can, or that studies have shown that universal masking can help to prevent things like COVID outbreaks in school.
The CDC is encouraging people to wear masks to not just fight against COVID-19, but also RSV and the flu. Getting yourself and your child vaccinated is also recommended for staying healthy this season. Vaccines can be found at most grocery stores and pharmacies, as well as the Tippecanoe County Health Department and your general practitioner. Hannah Grace, Star City News, Tippecanoe County.